10,000, smoke belts on. Full belts.
Square left.
Secure right.
Reduce speed 160 knots now and contact tower 11835.
If you confirm. Speed check. Run. Speed is good. Start.
Canada 168, send 4,000.
4,000 Air Canada 168.
Toronto, good evening, Westjet 2601, descending, is approaching 11,000 with Papa.
Westjet 2601 arrival, runway 24 left, descend 9,000.
Down to 9,000, 24 left, Westjet 2601.
Measure. Canada 168, maintain your present heading, vectors to final.
Present heading, vectors to final, Air Canada 168.
Order 406, turn right, heading 150, descend 3,000.
Canada bleeding.
Okay, right 150, down 3,000. Order 406. Air Canada 1092, maintain the 170 knots to QRX, and contact tower there, 11835.
זה נראה לי בהמשך של טורונטו.
QRX, tower there.
אמיתית.
Roger. Air Canada 168, descend 3,000.
Send to 3,000, Air Canada 168.
Order 406, turn right, heading 210, intercept, Squid Alice approach, runway 24 left, and reduce speed 170 knots.
Okay, right turn 210 degrees, clear 24 left approach, and 170 knots, order 406.
Roger. Westjet 2601, speed 210.
210 on the speed, Westjet 2601.
Roger.
כן, נראה לי רואה את זה גם.
So Westjet 2601, confirm you want us down to 9,000?
Westjet 2601, for 9,000, I'll blow up here shortly.
Roger that, 9,000.
1 Mike Charlie, descend 4,000, base turn will be around Mayrod.
4,000, 1 Mike Charlie.
Mayrod. 4,000.
Complete set, 10,000 complete.
Air Canada 168, turn right, heading 120.
אז אני אאשר אותך מקירקס, בסדר? זה פיינל אפרוץ' פיקס.
Roger, Air Canada 168, reduce speed 190 knots now.
לא, אני אומר, הוא פשוט אמר שכנראה הבייס יהיה ממרוד, ואז אני אאשר אותך מקירקס. זה הפיינל אפרוץ' פיקס.
אוקיי.
הנה טורונטו, דאונטאון.
Westjet 2601, descend 8,000.
Down to 8,000, Westjet 2601.
Triangle HS 360s with you, 9,000 published feet.
Got 360 arrival, runway 24 left, descend 8,000.
8,000, check 24 left, 360.
Roger. Air Canada 168, turn right, heading 150.
Okay, return 150 heading, Air Canada 168.
Roger. Order 406, maintain the 170 knots to QRX, and contact tower there, 11835.
170 QRX tower there, order 406.
Roger. Westjet 2601, descend 7,000.
Down to 7,000, Westjet 2601.
Roger. One Mike Charlie, descend 3,000.
3,000, 1 Mike Charlie.
3,000.
Air Canada 168, turn right, heading 210, intercept, Squid Alice approach, runway 24 left.
Okay, 210 for the intercept, clear for the Alice approach, 24 left, Air Canada 168.
Westjet 2601, descend 6,000.
Down to 6,000, Westjet 2601.
Air Canada 168, reduce speed 170 knots, maintain that to QRX.
Okay, 170 to QRX, Air Canada 168.
John Rouge 1900, that's 10,000.
There's 1900 arrival, runway 24 left, altimeter 2981, Aegis Papa, descend 8000.
Descend 8000, we check all Russian.
Wish at 2601, descend 5000, and reduce speed 200 knots.
Speed check,
Down to
flaps 10.
5000, speed 200 knots, wish at 2601.
Roger.
Ups 20.
Flaps 20. כן, יש למטוס קטע שאם אתה מוריד נודפים 20 עם ספוילר בחוץ, הוא עושה מין נדנוד כנפיים כזה.
Wish at 2601, descend 4000.
זה מסתבר קורה תמיד לפי מטוס.
1 Mike Charlie, turn left heading 040.
Left 040, 1 Mike Charlie. 040, בקטנה, כן. 040, כן. Heading. Heading mode. על הכיפק.
Air Canada 168, contact tower 11835.
Over to 1835, Air Canada 168.
One Mike Charlie, turn left heading 330.
330, 1 Mike Charlie.
Roger.
337.
כן, אני מאשר אותך מקירקס.
Order 11,400 for 11,000 with Oscar.
קירקס.
And a 540 arrival, runway 24 left, altimeter 2980, it is now Papa, descend 9000.
Then 9,000 will get popped by Air Canada 540 to Berlin.
Roger. 1 Mike Charlie, flighting 310.
310, 1 Mike Charlie.
Roger. 1 Mike Charlie, not below speed 170 knots, still advised, please.
Not below 170, 1 Mike Charlie.
Roger.
Okay, 170.
הוא אומר רוג'ר כל פעם שאני מגיב לו?
Wish at 2601, turn left heading 010.
Left 010, wish at 2601.
One Mike Charlie, turn left heading 270, intercept, Squid Alice approach, runway 24 left.
270, intercept the localizer, 1 Mike Charlie.
Oh, so trauma cleared, the data confirm cleared for
Yeah.
the ILS.
1 Mike Charlie, confirm clear for the ILS or just intercept the localizer?
1 Mike Charlie, cleared ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Clear the ILS approach, 24 left, 1 Mike Charlie.
Roger.
Good though.
Okay. Clear the ILS approach, localizer arm, flight slow.
טאוור אמור להיות 18:35, זה המגדל הדרומי. ושזה באמת יהיה נכון.
ביום מישהו.
Air Canada 540, speed 250 knots, still advised.
We're at 250 Air Canada 540.
Roger. Wish at 2601, turn left heading 330, and descend 3000.
230 down to 3000, wish at 2601.
1 Mike Charlie, maintain the 170 knots all the way to Kyrix.
170 all the way to Kyrix, 1 Mike Charlie.
There's 1900, descend unrestricted
Not Kyrix,
6000.
170.
Unrestricted descent 6,000 for 1900.
Roger.
You're shifting 33, 7,000 with
ימי הדרך.
1533 arrival, runway 24 left, descend 5000.
את הגליידסלופ
5,000
לפני פעולה, והמטוס הזה לא תופס את הגליידסלופ.
כן.
Wish at 2601, turn left heading 260, intercept, Squid Alice approach, runway 24 left.
Alright, 260 intercept, cleared ILS, 24 left approach, wish at 2601.
Localizer captured.
Okay.
1533, proceed to Liz, due to the localizer, speed 220 knots, greater till advised.
reported.
Jet 512, arrival, runway 24 left, reduce speed 210 knots, down to
I'll take you down.
9000.
Here now.
Is 210 and then 9,000, exit jet 512.
Jet 360, descend 4000, then speed 190 knots.
4,000, then speed 190, jet 360.
Canada 540, descend 8000.
8,000 Air Canada 540.
Roger. Exact jet 512, turn left heading 310, vector sequencing, expect
יש
first
לך רוח
contact.
חזקה מימין שדוחפת לך קצת.
exit jet 512.
Roger.
Gear down, 3
Mike Charlie,
grains,
contact
flaps
tower,
20.
1835.
11835, 1 Mike Charlie.
Westjet 2601, reduce speed 1.
Flaps, meer דרך full. Flaps full. הכירנות למהירות. Toronto Tower, Challenger 97, 1 Mike Charlie, ILS 24 left, parking, Sky Service, midfield.
November 971 Mike Charlie, check midfield, thank you. Wind is wind 320 at 13 knots, clear to land runway 24 left.
24 left, clear to land, 1 Mike Charlie. For landing checklist.
Okay.
Gear down, 3 grains, flaps 30.
I see 3 grain, flaps 30.
We have landing clearance, all lights are on.
Okay.
12 קשר crosswind מימין.
Okay. As checks complete, clear to
נכון.
land.
Air Canada 806, contact departure 128.9, good night.
28.8, Air Canada 806 for one.
שם לך את הרף ב-122.
Wind check, runway 24 left, 310, 13 knots. Air Canada 173, contour turbulence, 787 ahead, wind 310, 13 knots, clear takeoff, runway 23.
Clear takeoff 23, Air Canada 173.
Jazz 973, tower line up, point runway 23.
Minimum. Wait, minimum. 23, Jazz 973.
נכון. עכשיו 14 קשר צולב לכיוון.
100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Spoilers deployed, reversers green.
This is
Tower, good evening. Westjet 2601's on the ILS 24 left.
Westjet 2601, Charles Darren, good evening. Challenger rolling out, wind 310, 13 knots, clear to land runway 24 left.
Clear to land, 24 left, Westjet 2601.
1 Mike Charlie, exit there on Delta 2 and continue across runway 248.
Delta 2 and crossing 24 right, 1 Mike Charlie. Dus ga je zo tot 24 right.
okay.
Jazz 973, wind 310, 12,
gaat de airport
knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff 23, Jazz 973.
Air Canada 173, contact departure 128.8.
After landing.
Saudi 062, heavy tower, line up on way, runway 23.
Line up on way, runway 23.
We raken al wat aan shuttle team.
1 Mike Charlie, as you cross, contact ground 1219er.
1219er, 1 Mike Charlie.
Wind check, runway 24 left, 310, 12 knots.
אנחנו לפיינים נקי. ועובר גראונד.
Bangladesh 306, is clear to destination Lima, Tango Foxtrot Mike via Alvarado 7, India Papa Tango Oscar Sierra, then routing Quebec 921 to Egg Loop, Alpha Golf Lima Uniform Kilo, state flight plan route, runway 23, squawk 6303.
Tango 306 Heavy, read back correct, ATIS is Papa, contact 122.87 for pushback and start, good day.
Information Papa copied, 122.875, Bangladesh 306, good day.
Toronto ground, Challenger 971 Mike Charlie, after crossing 24 right on Echo to Sky Service midfield.
November 971 Mike Charlie, Toronto ground, good evening, taxi Echo, Echo Alpha.
Echo, Echo Alpha, 1 Mike Charlie.
Air Canada 1041, Toronto ground, good evening, runway 23, ATIS Papa, altimeter 81, wait for the 777 on your left, taxi Alpha, hold short Alpha Kilo.
Alpha short Alpha Kilo, after the 777 heavy with pop-up.
Roger, Canada 269, shows up for you. Air Canada 269, Toronto ground, good evening, runway 23, ATIS Papa, altimeter 2981, when able, taxi Alpha, hold short Alpha Kilo.
Alpha, shows Alpha Kilo, Air Canada 269.
Hello, clearance, Air Canada 854, heavy K172 with information Papa, identifier 601 Yankee. Air Canada 854, heavy, Toronto clearance, good evening, the code is correct, have a good flight. Yes, sir. Air Canada 168 Heavy, taxi Alpha Kilo, contact apron 12227, good day.
Alpha Kilo 2227, Air Canada 168, good day.
1 Mike Charlie, contact apron 12207, good day.
12207, 1 Mike Charlie.
Roger 894, tow 10.
Apron Challenger 971 Mike Charlie, taxiway Echo inbound Sky Service midfield.
Number 971 Mike Charlie, Echo Alpha to Sky Service.
Echo Alpha to Sky Service, 1 Mike Charlie.
Okay.
And Canada 1092, take lane 7 for 134 now.
Lane 7 to 134,
Alpha, Zappa.
זה הפנייה השמאלה הזאת, נכון?
כן.
Apron Blue 345, 165 Alpha, ready for push and tow.
Lead 345. Push tail west to 8 Charlie and hold there. I'll call you.
בוא נראה...
tail west 8 Charlie, stand by, Blue 345.
יש שם שני חבר'ה, כן, שנראה מחכים. בכל מקרה, כולם חונים בצד הזה. Taxi light off.
Hey, fuck. שנחבר, אני מיד אהיה לטלפון. ואתה תקום,
Blue
תגיד להם
345 up to the 320 behind you clear. Go tail north and call us.
כן, צריכים אישור לפתוח את זה.
20 tail north,
נכון.
Blue 345.
נראה לי
Air Canada 1309, traffic behind you. I'll call you back.
נראה.
Okay.
כנף ימין נקייה.
אוקיי, גם שמאל. בסדר.
יאללה כיפק.